Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to add a Noindex tag to any page or post on your WordPress site step by step, with zero confusion. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to keep specific content out of search engine results, whether it's a landing page, a thank you page, or even your entire blog section. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Think of this as the command center for everything on your website. Once you're in, head over to the left sidebar and click on either Pages or Posts, depending on which piece of content you want to keep hidden from search engines. Then find the particular page or post you're working with and click Edit right beneath its title. Take your time here. Being sure you're editing the right content is important. If you're managing a busy site with dozens of posts, using the search feature at the top can help you find exactly what you need in a snap. Now, when you're inside the editor, scroll down below your main content box until you see something labeled AIO SEO Settings. This stands for All-in-One SEO, which is a popular plugin used on millions of WordPress sites for managing SEO. If you're not seeing these settings, make sure the plugin is installed and activated. It makes everything we're about to do much easier. Within that AIO SEO area, look for the Advanced tab. This is usually alongside tabs like General or Social. Click on Advanced, and you'll open up a set of controls that lets you get more granular about how search engines handle your page. Here, where you'll find the Robot setting, which is typically set to Yoast default settings. Go ahead and toggle that off. What you're doing here is telling AIO SEO that you want to set custom instructions for this page, like giving a guest at your house a direct list of rules instead of letting them guess. When you turn off the default, you'll see some additional options appear. Under the Robots Meta section, check the box labeled No Index. Selecting this tells Google, Bing, and other search engines not to show this page in their results. A really useful trick if you have pages that are private, under construction, or simply not intended for public discovery. If you want to go even further, you can check options like No Follow to prevent search engines from following links on the page, or No Snippet to block those little preview excerpts. But don't worry, just the No Index one is usually all you need for most cases. So you've made your selections, but none of these changes count until you save. So now head up to the top right corner of the WordPress editor and hit either Update or Publish, depending on what stage your page is at. This moment is key. When you do this, AIO SEO will quietly add the Noindex meta tag to your page's source code. That's your invisible instruction to search engines, kind of like putting up a Do Not Disturb sign outside the door. But what if you want to Noindex an entire type of content, like your blog posts, pages, or maybe all your tag archives? No problem. For this, head back to your WordPress dashboard and look for the All-in-One SEO menu. Select Search Appearance. Now go to the relevant tab, whether that Content Types, Taxonomies, or Archives. Find the section you want to hide, then set the Show and Search Results option to No. Remember, this is powerful. You're telling search engines to ignore every item of that type. Scroll down, click Save Changes, and you're done. And that's it. Whether you're protecting a single thank you page or your entire media library, you now have the tools to control exactly what search engines see. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'm always here to help. Subscribe if you want more smart WordPress tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.